You are here because you want to start a YouTube cash cow channel that will make you a lot of money. You want to grow fast and get the views you deserve. Well, in today's video I'll show you a complete tutorial, step by step, how you can start your own YouTube automation business, completely from scratch. I'll tell you everything what you need to know to get started. I'll be giving you guys valuable and useful information throughout this video. If you want to know how, watch now and don't skip. Stay so you won't miss any important details. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you want to know how to make money on YouTube. Step 1. Choosing a niche. Choosing a niche is one of the most important aspects of creating a successful channel. But you have to play it smart. If you want to earn as much money as possible, you need to choose a niche with high CPM. Some examples of niches with high CPM include investing, affiliate marketing, dropshipping, make money online, e-commerce, trading or digital marketing. Don't forget that you can only choose one niche. When all of your videos are focused on one single niche, growth is really easy. Also, it's much easier for YouTube to index your channel. If your channel is new and YouTube hasn't yet indexed it, it won't know where to suggest your videos should be posted. As a result, until you submit at least 15 to 20 films, your view count will be quite low. My advice here is to create useful videos on latest topics in your niche to boost your channel in the early days. Step 2. Creating a channel. Once you have your niche, you need to create a channel. This is the easy part. Make sure it looks nice and neat. You don't need to overthink this step too much. Just start with the basics. Creating your business channel is the first thing you'll need to do, and YouTube makes it quite simple to do so. You'll be prepared to start setting up your new channel in just a few clicks. A free YouTube channel can be created in a fast and easy way. If you want me to create a tutorial on how to optimize your channel in the correct way, let me know in the comments. Step 3. Finding a video idea. Now you need some ideas for your upcoming videos. The easiest way to find an idea for a video is to find a channel that is more popular than yours and sort its videos from the most popular ones. And here's a tip. Try to choose videos that are evergreen content. Evergreen means that these type of videos are relevant for a long time. And also focus on choosing videos that can be found through the YouTube search engine. It's also known as search-based content. Now I'll show you one of the most important things, how to create and optimize your cash cow video. But before we do that, I just wanted to thank these people for subscribing me. Thank you a lot. I always do random shoutouts for my subscribers. If you want to have a chance to be included in my future videos, don't forget to subscribe. Now it's time to show you step 4, which is title and thumbnail. It's a good idea to create a title and a thumbnail before you make your video. Then it is much easier to edit and optimize the video. Now I'll give you some of my tips. As for the title, see different titles of the competition and create something similar, but do not copy. Check that your video's title matches your video content. Add your main keyword to the start of your title. Avoid using clickbait. Study the videos of your competitors. Make sure the thumbnail and title of your video go well together. As for the video thumbnail, I like to use Canva. It's free to use and you don't need anything complicated. With Canva, one of the best online graphic design tools available today, you can make amazing YouTube thumbnails. When creating your video thumbnails, make sure to capture your audience's attention. Step 5. Script creation. I'll show you the fastest way to create a script. All you have to do is go to Google and search for an idea of your video. Then, you choose an article of your choice and, what is important, you create your own script in your own words, but do not copy it. You can also find a YouTube video and try to recreate it, but don't steal, you have to change it so it's not the same. If I were to give you the most important tip when it comes to creating your script, make sure to grab attention immediately. It's crucial to capture viewers' attention right away because YouTube believes the first 15 seconds of a video to be crucial. Videos that are interesting to watch will draw viewers in. If yours doesn't grab their attention, they'll go back to their feeds in search of one that does. The best and simplest technique to grab your audience's attention right away is to open with a remark or a question that either shocks or is meant to generate interest. If you can achieve that, you're guaranteed to get more people to watch your video. Step 6. Editing the video. This step includes finding clips, recording a video, adding a voiceover, and editing the video. I'll leave this step for you. It is only up to you how you make the video. There are many video editing programs. If you are just starting out and have never edited videos before, don't try anything complicated, just Google editing software for beginners and download the program that suits you. In time you can switch to something else. Remember that you can model your video on another popular one, but as I said earlier, do not copy it. Your editing skills will improve over time, so don't try to make it perfect, just keep on making videos. Step 7. Optimizing your video. This is really important. If you want your video to rank high and if you also want people to watch your videos, you need to optimize them. Luckily, there's a lot of tools available that you can use to optimize your videos for search engine optimization. I'll tell you what I use to rank high. I personally use vidIQ. It's a great tool for YouTube optimization, and what's better, it's free. If you want to use this tool, click the link in the description box down below. It's definitely worth using it if you want your YouTube channel to grow. vidIQ can optimize your title, description, keywords, and so much more. I highly recommend that you use it. So this is how you can create and start your own YouTube cash cow channel. Now it's time for the bonus step. I want you to remember that it's gonna take some time for your channel to start getting results. It takes some time for your videos to start ranking. So don't give up. Also, I don't recommend outsourcing your channel right away if you're just getting started, unless you have the money to do so. It might be a little risky. Once you start generating income, this is when you can outsource your work. Plus, you will already know what is working. For high CPM, make sure your videos are aimed at Western English-speaking countries. Upload outside of working hours, depending on your time zone. I'd prefer to do it in the evening. To develop the habit of producing regular videos, concentrate on creating the minimum necessary of them. You don't have to make your videos perfect. Just keep editing and learning. If you found this video helpful, and if you really want to grow your channel and make money with it, make sure to subscribe, leave a like and comment down below if you have any questions or ideas for future videos. Soon I will post new videos that will show you the best ways to monetize and grow your YouTube channel. So stay in touch and I'll see you in the next video.